creating the second resource. That is why we are getting this. So we have to just make sure we give comma only when we are going to create the next resource. So I'll just give me some time. I'll just so here we go. We have now just written the security group configuration. So I have given the name of the security group as web security group, and the similar thing, like we need to define the type. What kind of resource is this? So this is a AWS EC2 security group. That's defined. Then we are defining the properties of this web security group, that security group. So in the properties we have multiple key value parameters. The first one is group description. So we want to enable HTTP and SSH access, and then we will just create an array of security group ingress. So what are the ports which will be allowed for inbound traffic? So we are just creating an array of that, and we will give the protocol and port number and incoming IP addresses. So here, if you see the protocol we are using is TCP protocol, and from port is 80 to port is 80. So we are just opening port number 80 for web traffic, and the second port is 22. So the protocol is TCP only, but the port number is 22, and it's opening to the world. So this incoming connection is for the whole world. So this is fine. So we have just ended the array here, and this bracket will close the security group properties, and this will close the whole security group thing. So this is how we have defined the resources. We have created EC2 instance type, EC2 instance, and the second thing, security group. So now let's just check whether this formatting is valid or not. Let's just validate this. So I'll just open a site, Json Validator. Anyone will work. Let's open this one. Okay. Maybe some other. Json formatter and validator. Let's see how is this. Yeah, this is looking good. So I'll just copy it, the whole template. I'll copy it and I'll paste it here, and I will click on process. Okay, so it's telling it's a valid JSON format, so that's fine. Now we can just save it. So now I will just save this template, and I'll give it some name. I'll call it EC2 instance dot template. Okay, so it's saved. So now let's just do one more thing. I'll do I'll just make some errors in this template, and I'll see whether the JSON validator is able to figure it out or not. So I have just removed this bracket, curly bracket on line number 41, and I'll just check again on the JSON validator. Let's see if it's giving correct result. I just pasted the new one, process. Okay, so it's giving some error. Let's see at what line. Okay. Yeah, so it's telling there is some bracket issue. So it's correct. So this is fine. So if we add one more bracket, it should be working. So that's fine. It's giving the correct result. So let's go again here, and line number 41 we need to add one more backend. So now we will use this EC2 instance.template to create a stack in CloudFormation, and this should deploy one EC2 instance, and with the AMI and key pair provided, and it will create a security group as well with the given port 80 and 22. So let me go to the CloudFormation service. Now I have some options: create new stack or stack set, design a template. So we are going to create a new stack, and it's asking to choose a template. So I will upload my template from here. Objects. I need to check whether where is that template present. So just go again here and copy full path. Now again I'll go for uploading this. So EC2 instance.template. So I'll just upload this. Now next, I want to give some name. I'll give EC2 some instance. That's valid name. Next, I can give some key value pair as well, but that is not required. IAM role is also not required. Advanced setting is for SNS topic and all, so that is also not required. So we are just creating a basic EC2 instance using CloudFormation, so that's pretty good. So everything is looking good. I'll just hit on create. So the creation process is in progress. It has been initiated. So let's just wait for some. Okay. Okay, there is some issue here. Value of property security groups must be of type list of a string. Okay. Okay, so this deployment, this CloudFormation stack is failed. Let me go back again and validate the things. So web security group. Actually, I found the issue. The issue lies here, the security groups, because we have created web security group, but we are not using that, and we can just use it as it is. But I would like to add a new feature that is called reference. So I'll just refer the security group to get this one once it is created. So again, I will create an array type because we can give multiple reference. So I'll give a reference function, and it will be equal to the web security group. Okay, this comma is not required since we are just creating a single reference, so this is fine. So now what we are doing here is we are just referencing this web security group in this resource group. So I think this is now should be fine. Everything else is looking okay. I'll again save it, and I'll go again to the CloudFormation service. I'll choose the file again, EC2 instance template, and then go to next steps. Key value is not required, IAM role is not required, advanced is not required. I'll just go and hit on create.